I'm so excited to share this new product with you. This is a lifetime of social media content creation solved. It can help you save thousands and thousands of dollars, and I will show you what is there in this. So, of course, as it says, lifetime social media content creation using AI prompts. And I'm giving you example of ChatGPT, but I tested actually these prompts on various other platforms like Bard and even Word Hero and all, and they all work fine on various platforms. And for limited time, it is on special deal, $27. And why I created. So that's a special, actually different video. It tells you why I created, but this video is designed to tell you what is in this product and how to use it. So you can go through this sales page and it will tell you what are the challenges solopreneurs they have, what are the mistakes they do, and how our product is providing all the solutions for that. So you can go through and you can find more information. And yeah, I have lots of testimonials because I gave this product many people and to try out, and they just loved it. They loved it. So here, this is my old video. I'll be putting new video. And what all the parameters are there? The tone, ideal customer profile, character count, emojis, hashtag, links, URL, and goal and about. And there are many other parameters. When I open the file, I will show you. And this is how you will dance once you get this product, no doubt about it. Will it work for my niche? Actually, you go and look whether your niche is there. It will work for everybody's niche. Here we are telling how your life is better because of all these things, what all the benefits you will be getting. Yeah, means it will save time, increase business opportunity. You don't have to spend money on ad ever. You don't have to outsource. Social media is free, but still it comes with lot of cost, like your time. It costs time. So here it is saving time. And if you are using freelancer for Pinterest, Instagram, and all that, you don't have to do all those things. Everything is here given for you, and how your life will be. It will be so good. So here, it is just here for $27 lifetime. Benefit of this is thousands and thousands of dollars. Yeah, premium guarantees are there, now or never. So let's go and find out what is in this. Okay, so here when you buy this, you will get this screen, thank you screen. Here it is the AI prompt. So it is downloaded. I am also sending email so that you can get actually attachment even in email. So now this product is downloaded, and here it is in the downloads. So this is the file, and it is in Excel, but I want to show you on Google because not everyone has Microsoft Office and it costs a lot, but everybody has free Google Drive, right? So why not to use that? So, okay, let me just upload this file on the Google Drive. So I'm uploading this file. So I'm uploading this file. So file is uploaded over here. So this is my file. You can change the name, whatever name you want it. And I want to show you how many parameters. And this is totally customizable. You can actually set your own parameters. You can change. Everything is totally customizable. So here, there are so many tones already preloaded. You can have friendly, funny, casual, very excited. So many tones are already preloaded, so you can choose whatever tone you want. Here, ideal customer profile, there are various ideal customer profiles you can choose. And here, characters. Actually, characters I have chosen 50, 100, 240, up to 3000, but you can select your number of characters. And number of characters I have purposely chosen because I was testing this prompts with platform, and so I was testing it with Twitter, LinkedIn. So instead of number of characters, I was giving the parameter of the platform. And somehow the AI perform better when you give them the number of characters instead of basically the platform. And that worked really well. So I was planning to add platform, and platforms can be added many more later on. Who knows? Because social media, MySpace was there a few years back. Now it is no longer there. So you don't know. The platforms come and go. So, but number of characters you can keep on changing over here. You can do that. Emojis, whether you want to add emojis or not. Hashtags, whether you want hashtags or not. Yeah, every algorithm works differently. For example, some people say that LinkedIn doesn't like hashtags. So it is totally your choice, whichever platform you want. You can choose hashtags, links, whether you want to have links or not. I have put my company link, but you change your company link over here. Goal here, you have to set your goal. So I haven't set any parameter over here. You go and what goal you want to set. About also you set for your company, your about. And here are the AI prompts. These are generated, and this side basically it is designed mainly for the transformation. So what are the transformations you want? You can add the transformations here. What all the pain points are here? You can add the pain points here. What are the mistakes people are doing? So your ideal customer is doing and they don't want to do those mistakes. So you can those list over here. Whether you want headline or not. Social media posting it's really critical. A headline or hook is very, very critical. So it's better to have the headline. Many times people post without headline, but so it's your call whether you want to have a headline or not. Whether you are asking people to comment on your post or not, that is your choice. But here I'm giving you that choice over here. Whether you want people to share your post or not, so that also choice I'm giving you over here. And whether you want to request them to like your post or not means basically if you say no, then basically that option won't be selected. So this is, you just keep on experimenting. And now I want to show you. Okay, so this is right now I have chosen friendly tone. I have chosen Gen X. I have chosen like 2000 characters. I have chosen emoji, hashtags, links. Okay, I'll say yes. And here my given my link here. My goal is to have people visit my site, visit the resources for solopreneurs because that is what I'm specialized in. This is the AI prompt is created, but make sure that what transformation you want. Here I'm putting, I want more sales. I don't want my ideal customer to be overwhelmed. I know my ideal customers are actually ignoring customer feedback, so I don't want them to be doing that. I want headline. I want people to comment on my post. Then I want people to share and I want people to like. So this is the prompt created over here. I'm just copying the prompt over here. Then I'm going to chat GPT over here. I will enter this prompt. Let me see what the output is. So this is the output ChatGPT created, and you can experiment. You can keep on changing the parameters, and you can keep on basically changing whatever is good for you. And depending on that, basically you will have the output created. And I just want to show you that how critical this is, how critical, how great to have this kind of product so that you never have to spend money on social media and all posting. You don't have to use the freelancers here. All the everything is given here. You can keep on experimenting, but your whole social media work will be done in just a fraction of minutes, and you are free to live your life which you always wanted to. Thank you, and I wish you all the best.